Goes ride lean. If you ride old, ride slow, candy paint, slamming these. Goes ride lean. If you ride old, ride slow, candy paint, slamming.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're making bourbon glazed pork chops and peaches. So here are the ingredients that you're gonna need. And I contemplated so long about releasing this video because one, I was playing with different techniques on how to present this video. Two, it wasn't in my kitchen. And three, I was still pregnant and I was very, very sick throughout this pregnancy. So hopefully you guys kind of like where I'm going with the recipe videos because I still have vlogs coming on this channel. So comment down below if you like the less talking, more right to the nitty gritty, and excuse my junky bowl because again I'm at grandpa's. So just let me know what you think, and with that feedback I will turn it into something magic hopefully. Thank you so much for your love and support, and enjoy. hope you guys enjoy my take on bourbon glazed pork chops and peaches. If you have your own twist or like to add or subtract ingredients, let me know in the comments down below. And again, thank you so much for being my loyal subscribers. I love you guys, and I can't wait to bring you more content as I try to get through this new season of my life. Love you, and God bless.